Do you ever feel stuck when speaking English? Like the words are in your head, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out? You're not alone. Most English learners face this struggle. But here's the good news. Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being confident and natural. And today, I'll share practical tips that will actually help you speak English fluently, even as a beginner. So if you've ever dreamed of speaking smoothly, without overthinking every word, keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Before we jump into techniques, let's clear one big misconception. Fluency doesn't mean using big fancy words. It means being able to communicate your thoughts clearly and confidently. Think about it. When a child learns to speak, do they use complicated words? No. They start simple, but they're fluent in their own way. That's exactly what you should aim for. So, stop worrying about mistakes. In fact, making mistakes is proof that you're learning. Here's the first tip. Practice speaking every single day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. You don't need a partner. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, what you see, or how you feel. For example, I'm making coffee. I like my coffee strong. Simple sentences, but they build confidence. Remember, fluency is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Most beginners try to memorize individual words. But in real conversations, we use phrases. Instead of memorizing book or read, learn phrases like, I'm reading a book, or can I borrow your book? Phrases give you ready-made building blocks for conversations. The next time someone asks, how are you? You won't freeze. You'll already know to say, I'm doing great, thanks. And you? That's fluency. Fluency is not just about speaking, it's also about listening. If you can understand, you can reply. So make English part of your daily life. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or even songs in English. Don't just focus on grammar, focus on how people actually speak, the tone, the rhythm, the expressions. Your brain will start to copy these patterns naturally, and you'll sound more fluent without even trying too hard. One of the most powerful techniques to improve fluency is called shadowing. Here's how it works. Pick a short English video, maybe your favorite movie clip. Play a line, pause, and repeat it exactly as you heard it. Copy the pronunciation, the speed, even the emotion. Do this regularly and you'll notice your accent, speed, and confidence improving dramatically. It's like practicing with a native speaker without needing a partner. Another game changer, stop translating in your head. If you keep thinking in your native language first, then translating, your fluency will always feel slow. Start small, think simple thoughts in English. It's sunny today. I'm hungry. I need water. Over time, your brain will switch naturally and English will start to flow without effort. That's when you'll feel true fluency. Finally, remember this. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It's like learning to play an instrument. You need daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day is more powerful than studying for 3 hours once a week. Stay consistent and celebrate small wins. The first time you order food in English or answer a question without hesitation, that's progress worth celebrating. So, now you know, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being confident, practicing daily, and enjoying the process. Start today. Talk to yourself, listen actively, and think in English. Your fluency journey has already begun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who are also learning English. And tell me in the comments, which of these tips will you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.